So, there's talk of an OpenAI IPO. Here's your essential guide to navigating it.
Let's get one thing straight. The IPO itself, not the hard part. It's everything that comes after.
Here's what we'll cover: what you own, the timeline, the taxes, and of course, your playbook. First up, what do you actually own? Because OpenAI's equity is, well, pretty complex.
If you got in early, you might have these things called PPUs. They are not your typical stock.
More recent hires, you probably have RSUs. The big question is, when do you pay taxes on them? And this difference is huge. It decides if you owe taxes before you can even sell your shares. And then there are stock options. These aren't just sitting there. You need a game plan for them.
Check this out. ISOs can trigger a nasty surprise called the AMT, a huge tax bill with no cash.
Okay, so let's walk through the IPO timeline. The order of events here is absolutely critical. This is the standard journey. But that lockup period, that's where things get dangerous for employees.
Right. During the lockup, you're a paper millionaire. You can look, but you can't touch.
The stock's going to be a roller coaster. Imagine watching it peak and then fall while your hands are tied.
All right, let's talk taxes. This is the #1 reason people lose their IPO wealth. Seriously. Yeah, you heard that right. You could owe a massive tax bill without ever selling a single share. It's a classic trap. Asset rich, but cash poor. And the IRS definitely wants its money. Next up, let's get real about that big number. What does it actually mean for you? So, you open your account and see this: $5 million. Life-changing, right? Well, after taxes and market swings, your reality might look a lot more like this. This is what we call concentration risk. You've got all your eggs in one very volatile basket.
So how do you win this game? You make a plan before the IPO. That's the absolute key.
Here it is, your 4-step playbook. Get these right, and you'll be in a much better spot. Remember, getting rich is one thing. Staying rich, that's a whole different ballgame.